Hello dear parents and students, I'm Ms. Ashna at Margaret Private School. As we know, education is the passport to the future and it belongs to those who prepare for it today. So, dear students, if you have a goal and you wanted to be one of the stars in the future, it means our community needs you. And we are here at Margaret School for helping you to achieve your goal, so let Margaret be your top choice.
Hello, I am Mr. Robin, an English teacher at Margaret Private School. In our school, we provide the latest and advanced teaching methods to ensure our students' victory in mastering the English language. So, dear parents, seize this opportunity and let us take responsibility of your child's future.
At Margaret Private School, we believe that a person to be a lifelong learner. That's why we have provided this laboratory where we try to prove many scientific theories through experiment to make learning practical and fun.
سڵاوتان لێبێت دایک و باوکان و خوێندکارانی خۆشەویست. من مامۆستا سۆنیام، مامۆستای زمانی کوردی لە قوتابخانەی مارگرێتی تایبەت. گەشەپێدان و پاراستنی زمانی شیرین دایک لە خوێندکاران و هاندانیان بۆ خوێندن و نووسین بە زمانی کوردی و هەروەها شارەزابوون و ئاشنابوونیان بە ڕێزمان و ئەدەبی کوردی لە قوتابخانەکەمان بەیاخی پێدەدرێت.